Hey guys, today is March 18. Right now, I don't know what time is it. Probably around 5 o'clock p.m. or something. It's getting dark. Um, Quickly explaining how I changed my 2008 Ford Escape Hybrid torque sensor, angle sensor. I don't know, whatever you call it. So let me show you. So I got a lot of stuff on the floor. First of all, want to jack up the car in a flat surface. Obviously this is not completely flat, but that's all I got. Remove the negative, and then also hold on, put the battery on the service. You just kind of take it out, put it down, okay, turn it. So that's that. And then there's the steering wheel. You have to take the whole columns out. So for underneath the cover, there's a what's called two 5mm bolt and a I think it was 6 or something. So after you remove that, you are able to remove this cover, the whole thing. After you remove the cover, unplug everything, all the electronic. After you unplug everything, underneath here there's a metal piece that blocked the thing. I don't know what you call it, which is that right there, that metal piece of thing. I don't remember. That's 10mm. Yeah, we moved that. There's 4 bolt. We moved the 10mm. Put a rubber band on the steering wheel, and then there's 2 T45 bolt right here, which hold the steering wheel in. Remove these two. You probably could see it from underneath, and then you should be able to take it out. Remember to have the steering wheel as 11 o'clock. Actually, mine's turned at 11 o'clock right now at this moment. Okay, now the next thing you're gonna do is remove this horseshoe clamp right here. I don't know if you could see it underneath right there. There's 2 pins. Yep, that's it. That's the 2 pins. So you want to squeeze it and then remove that. This thing is holding on by that horseshoes thing. Hey guys, so just a quick update. Right now it's pretty late, around 7 o'clock. I already removed my torque sensor, so this is the old one. Earlier was inside there. That's the new one. I actually had to go to the Harbor Freight store to buy one of these too. Clamp remover. You definitely need one of these. Cost me about $30 something. Out of all, the most difficult part is moving this horseshoes ring right here. So you need a special tool, which because it has these 2 small holes, and this thing is very tight. So you definitely need one of these just to remove it with the long handle. Anyway, so after you remove that horseshoe ring right here, after you remove this, where's the other stuff? So this will come out. So this is actually being held in by the thing. So anyway, after this is out, you see your torque sensor. This is the torque sensor. First thing you want to do is you want hit the tire until you want this triangle. I don't know if you see this triangle right here. You want triangle to align with this. These two align. Mine was kind of out of align, so you kind of just turn your tire a little bit so that when this is aligned. Another way to tell align is that when the black dot is right in the middle, I guess it's within this box, everything's fine. Okay, so after you finish that, obviously you remove the wire, and then after you remove that, you put the new one in. Make sure you push it all the way. Yeah, they also have a mounting kit right here for you to test it out, which I did that already. Now you remove the pins, which I'm going to remove, pull it out. Can you hold this? Thank you. I need both my hands. Ooh, my God, it's tight. So there we go. I removed it, and can you? Oh, thank you. Zoom in on it. As you see, the opening is right in the middle. Well, it's not right in the middle, but as long as we're in that box, it's fine. So yeah. Anyway, and then let me show you the the triangle is aligned with that triangle. So you see that? So that's good. Now you do the same process, putting everything back, you know, all the wire and everything. Okay, and then put this cover back on. You want to do that, go straight in, and then you want to put that horseshoes clamp back in. Remember the direction. You want the curved side to be in the inside. Okay, all right, I'm gonna pause the video for now. Okay, so finally the horseshoe ring gasket is on. Took a long time. You see the bottom? Yeah, you gotta clamp it and squeeze it back in. Now just pretty much put all the wire backs and put everything back. Okay guys, I got the steering wheel back on, and then I tie up these two T45 bolts, both sides, left and right, to keep the steering wheel on. And next thing I'll do is plug all the electronic back onto these steering wheel right here, and then that's pretty much it. Let's give that a try. Okay guys, so place the steering wheel back in, push all the sensor, everything's on. I also push the battery back in, push the hybrid battery, turn on, ready. Okay, final two, see if it's working. I'm gonna start up. Let's see if the steering wheel shake. Okay, it say rear lift gate is open because the back is open. Driver door is open, yeah. Turning around. Okay, it's cooking. Okay, so I noticed that there is one problem, is that going to the right is kind of hard, a little bit stiff. Going to the left, it's very easy. Look at this, it's too smooth. So I think the sensor needs to be programmed. Yeah, so I need to do some research on that, but other than that, I think it's fine. Everything's working great. As you can see, no vibration, no shaking going on. Can you check if the wheels move? Yeah, the front, left and right. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to put everything back, put all the covers, top and bottom, backs on, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.